guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will unbox two new orchids that one of my viewers sent me. It is a package that is coming from Romania, and I am really curious how they arrived, because here it is still very cold, so I will unwrap them as fast as possible. I'm very excited because these orchids are quite rare and they are very special. I am not sure how she managed to get these particular ones. And as I said, I am quite curious to see the state they arrived in. I'm sure she packed them very well. I know both of them are not yet blooming size, so I hope I can get them to be healthy and happy and mature. Okay, and now let's see. She wrapped them also for the cold weather, which is very good. I hope they were protected enough. The package is quite cold. Okay, I think this is only wrapping paper, or not. Oh, I have here one of the orchids. Okay, I know what this is. This is one of the seedlings that she sent me. This is Vanda Mimi Palmer, and I will actually rip these little sheets right now, because she initially wanted to send me a much bigger keiki, and that one died because these sheets kept the base of the orchid moist, and it rotted away. So yeah, we don't want that to happen again. I hope I can save this orchid, because this root is not in 10 top conditions, but I will see if it greens up when I water it. Okay, let's move on. That orchid, it is a Vanda Mimi Palmer, a Vanda species, so oh, it seems like here we have. Oh, she sent me the Orchiata bark. Thank you so much. Let's see. Hold on, guys. Okay, and I asked her very nice to send me some Orchiata bark, because I need it for a Vanda orchid. You will see exactly for which one, and she managed to send me some of it. So thank you so much. And now let's see the last orchid. It is this one, and I don't really remember its full name, but I recall that it is a beautiful one, and you can see that both of them are healthy, and they survived. Okay, sorry guys, some man came to repair something here inside the house, so I needed to open the door. Yeah, and as I said, I have cleaned very well the bottom sheets, and yeah, here I think it will grow another new root, and for this orchid I'm very hopeful that I will manage to nourish it back to health, and I hope I will soon see it bloom. By the size of it, I suspect it would be blooming size in about 1 to 2 years, and the other one, this smaller one, I think it would take about 4 to 5 years to get back to health. That in case that I manage to save it, because here we have some purplish, orangish tinges on this sheet, and it might actually get infected. I will see, but I will give my best, and for now I will soak both of them till tomorrow for 24 hours in a solution made with fish mix, because it is a natural fertilizer, and it helps a lot the orchids that are stressed to get back to health. It has a lot of amino acids and all of the nutrients that the orchid needs, and because it is biofertilizer, I think it is a lot easier to use with the orchids that are kind of sickish, let's say. So this was a gift from one of my viewers from Romania, and I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. I am really thankful and glad that you wanted to send me these orchids, and of course the bark. You have helped me a lot, and yeah, if you have any questions, guys, please give them in the comment section below. Again, I will put pictures and the names of the orchids on the screen so you can see them better. Thank you very much for watching, and see you all next time. Bye.